Hey, welcome back to the workshop. For today's project, I'm going to be making a steampunk style lamp. Come check it out. Okay, so my basic idea is to build a lamp that looks kind of like this. At the top, there will be two vintage style LED bulbs coming out of a bunch of pipe fittings. You can't have a steampunk lamp without pipe fittings. The main body of the lamp will be a wood box with a voltmeter, an on-off switch, and a dimmer knob. I'm not entirely sure how this is all going to go together yet, but this is the rough idea. Okay, so my basic circuit model looks like this. But before we get into it, I need to mention that electricity is dangerous, particularly if you're dealing with household mains power directly. If you don't know what you're doing, you could actually die. So unless you want to rock out with the Grim Reaper, please do not attempt an electrical project like this without the proper training and experience. The internet is full of really great websites and videos that can teach you how to work with electricity intelligently and safely. Please check them out and get a little knowledge before you start sticking random wires into the wall socket. Anyway, that being said, on with the build. So this is a pretty simple circuit. Coming in from the left, the hot side of the circuit goes to a single pole, single throw toggle switch. Then through a rotary dimmer circuit, then out through two LED bulbs wired in parallel so that the dimmer sees both bulbs as a single electrical load. A voltmeter measures the difference between the voltage at a point before the bulbs and a point after the bulbs to show us the voltage drop that is, in this circuit, mostly provided by the dimmer. Before we do anything electrical, the first step to accomplish is to stain and finish this box. This is just a cheap pine box that I bought on Amazon for a couple of bucks. I'll be using the same Varathane oil stain and Minwax tung oil finish that I had left over from my steampunk table build from a few weeks ago. Okay, so after like 3 days of finishing and sanding and refinishing and resanding, I think this is about as good as it's going to get. It's time to move on with this build. Alright, well I think that about does it. Time to plug it in, try it out, and see if it works. Hey, it works! So I'm pretty happy with the way this lamp came out. In fact, I like it so much, I might build more like this in the future. I've got a lot of ideas and other things I might want to try to put into things that are kind of in this style. And I hope to have more videos along those lines very soon. So I hope you found that interesting, and I'll be right back here in the workshop with another video just as soon as I can. See you then.